In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end or close a sprint in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, if you're working with Jira, you probably already know that managing sprints is a crucial part of Agile project management. Closing a sprint can help you assess your team's progress and prepare for the next phase of your project. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, the very first thing you want to do is log into your Jira account. Make sure you use your credentials to access the platform. It's important to be logged into your specific Jira instance, since different organizations might have their unique setups. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your project. Whether you're in a Scrum team or managing multiple projects, navigating to the right project is essential. You can typically find your projects listed on the dashboard or through the sidebar. Select the project you want to manage. Now, after you've opened your project, you'll want to locate the button that says Start Sprint. In most Jira setups, this will be located in the backlog view. It's a straightforward click, but make sure you verify that all your sprint tasks and issues are ready to be concluded. Once you've clicked on Start Sprint, you'll notice a button that confirms the action. You'll see the button that says Start to officially kick off this sprint cycle. Again, ensure everything is in order. Depending on your project settings, you may want to immediately follow up by choosing your selected sprint tasks. After running your sprint and getting through your tasks, it's time for the moment we've been waiting for, completing the sprint. Navigate back to your active sprint board where you will see your current tasks and their statuses. Look for the Complete Sprint button, which is generally at the top of your sprint board. This button is crucial as it officially signifies the end of your sprint. When you click on Complete Sprint, you will often be presented with a summary of those tasks, which may include completed issues and any remaining issues that were not addressed. Take a moment to review this summary. It's a good opportunity for reflection and planning for the next sprint. Once you're ready, go ahead and click the Complete Sprint button again to finalize the closure. Depending on your Jira configuration, you might find that you have to click Complete Sprint once more. This is just a confirmation step to ensure that you really intend to close out the sprint, so go ahead and confirm this action. After clicking it, you may even have an option to create a report of the completed sprint. This can be invaluable for retrospective meetings and to analyze what went well and what didn't. Don't forget to take advantage of this feature if it's available to you. Finally, once you've completed the sprint, it's a good practice to gather your team for a retrospective meeting. Assess what was accomplished and where improvements can be made moving forward. This practice will strengthen your Agile workflow and keep your project moving smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully closed a sprint in Jira. By following these steps, you can keep your projects organized and continue to foster a productive, agile environment. Remember, it's all about iteration and improvement, which is at the heart of Agile methodologies. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more informative videos. Happy sprinting, and I'll see you in the next one.